Salvador, do it.
All right.
1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2. Oh. Okay. Let's see how you just say it. I'm done. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh God.
No, you gotta jump straight up in the air.
All right. 3. Oh God.
See? That wasn't as hard as like.
Okay.
Jump out.
Jesus.
All right, go.
Alright, we're gonna try to lift that thing up, and I'm gonna get in it. Let's do this. Alright, just get right there.
Where?
Over here. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Keith, help.
1, 2. Help. Alright, hurry up. Oh my God. Oh shit. How am I gonna get out? Alright. It's fun. I'm doing it.
Oh, car's coming.
Really? Oh shit, get out!
And slowly, easy does it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. Alright, we found baby kittens, I think.
There's 3.
There's 3?
No, there's 2.
There's 2. Right. Oh my gosh, there is! Oh my God! Pick it up, pick it up! Oh shoot, where did they go? Right there. I got one. Oh. Alright. There. I got one.
Careful, you about. No!
Right there. Ow! Ow, 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 ow!
Just jump.
Oh God, where'd he go? Ah! Oh, I stepped on it. Where'd it go?
Oh! This hurts.
Okay,
I see it. It's right there.
Where?
Don't stop. There's baby kittens over here.
Where?
Keep going straight. See it? I see it. Keep going straight. It's right by that log over there.
This guy's gonna
See
kill
it?
me.
See, it's by the log. Keep
Where?
going straight. Keep going. At least like right by it.
Really?
Careful.
Oh, I see it.
Stop, Kitty. Kitty, calm down. Don't kill me.
All right.
Guess what I mean? Looks like they're just.
No, I don't mean.
They look like 2 weeks old.
Oh.
Gum on your mouth.
All right, let me hold this.
Then he gets the gum
Hey,
and
this one
looks like what the one my sister has.
Ow! Yeah, it hurts.
I'm pissed at you.
Ow! No!
Don't.
No, 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 no.
It's gonna drown.
No, no, no.
No.
No! Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh,
All right, all right,
you should just let them go back and go first.
all right.
Try and get it.
No, we're not gonna.
Oh, there.
We need to save him. Now we actually do need to get it.
It's Goldie! We
Oh.
found Goldie! That's our favorite cat!
I got it.
It's Goldie and this! It's ours!
What
Oh,
about
that
this
was the cutest. That is flashy. Come here, baby. He got poison ivy.
one? No, we don't.
Yeah, right here, bro.
It's just
That's
a-
not best stickies.
Baby kitty. Meow, meow, meow. Goldie. My Goldie. I remember.
All right, we're gonna let him go. All right, Daria, let's go let him go. All right. Where do you want us to put it?
Cameron's.
Yeah, it's Cameron's case, but he gave it to me. Where should I put this, Salvador?
Just put it back where we found it.
And then grass. All right. Ow, it's scratching me. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna let it go. There you go, kitten. Have a nice life.
Stop, 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 stop. I think it's done. You have to go like back. You have to like go scoot back and you have to like some color. Okay, now go. Hi guys, this is our TFF. Stop.
Will that work?
Yeah, it will be a big snake too. I can be here. Oh yeah, I'm swimming like a narwhal. Oh, 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 oh,
It
oh.
didn't catch on fire. The other one did catch on fire. Just wait.
The other ones are catching on fire.
They'll catch on fire, trust me. I've done this a lot of times. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't do that.
Okay, little. Stop. Or throw. Is it working?
This works again. It's gonna be another miracle, I swear.
Okay. If it burns a lot.
Stop.
This is very cool.
Is that your mom again?
No, no, it's not. Oh my god. Oh.
Pretty sure this only goes through.
So this is a great bait snake, double snake. Oh, it's green smoke. Okay, but sir said
Alright, we're doubling up.
Double up.
Double up.
double kid, double master, double snakes. Yeah, double snakes.
Let's see what's gonna happen for this one.
Can't tell.
Look at the. Look at the.
Oh, did it work? Yes.
Yes! 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 Give me this green smoke. Whoa! It's standing up! And it's savage. Did it work?
You saw me.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa! The part right here!
No!
That's good.
Watch out, I got
That front flip though.
I don't touch you.
Do it!
You're gonna double jump me.
No!
Stop.
Stop, bounce me! Oh my god. Great, you did great.
Hey, little kid, please move.
His name is Misael.
I haven't done it in a long time. Recording? Alright, no more. I was there before. Alright, no more. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. My Instagram and Twitter down below. See you tomorrow. Bye!